If you're having a hard time trying to find points of entry or just points of rejection in the market, this video is going to be very helpful for you because I'm going to break down exactly how you can find perfect sniper entries in the market and also very key areas that are going to have rejections. So you can have the entry point and you can also have a potential take profit. That's what I'm going to cover in this video. It's not going to be too long. I'm going to make it as simple as possible. And guys, trading is really not hard once you understand the concepts, and by the end of this video you're gonna have a clear idea of what to look for next time you are in the markets. So starting off, fair value gaps. Fair value gaps always happen between 3 candles. So we have 1, 2, 3, and we always mark them out between the wicks of the candle. So for example, right here, this is a fair value gap. Now what do you want to happen inside of a fair value gap? You want price to come into the zone and then have the rejection lower. Come into the zone, have the rejection lower, come in, can tap in as many times as it wants. There is no limit to how many times it can tap in as long as it has a rejection lower. So in this case, tap, we had a little break, but overall it was a tap, rejection lower. And we see, there we go. That's our push lower. Very nice. Now tap into it again, have the rejection lower. Now, inversion fair value gap. What's an inversion fair value gap? It is simply a fair value gap, just inverted. It's not hard at all. Inversion fair value gap, again, between 3 candles, between the wicks. You can see this is a full body close, which just shows there was a big momentum in the market, which left a lot of buyers back and never actually got filled. So again, what do? 1, 2, 3 candle, mark it out between the wicks and cover just the body. What do? Instead of tapping into it and rejecting higher, like what we did with this fair value gap, we actually make a full body close below it. What's that telling us? That's giving us a perfect short opportunity. I mean, look, we have this fair value gap, so we have a reason for rejection, and we have an inversion fair value gap. That is a reason for an entry. So go ahead, take our entry, and we can profit on this beautiful move low. Now for the second example, over here, let's move price a bit. What do we see? Okay, well, we have a fair value gap over here. Let's see, maybe we're going to come into it, tap, and then have a rejection higher to make new higher highs. Let's see, what's price going to tell us? We're going very strong move down. Okay, well, first thing we can know is actually move this a bit higher. What do we have? We have a inversion fair value gap. Yes, it's a very small inversion fair value gap, but it still counts. And what are we going to target now? Well, we're going to target a fair value gap. So inversion fair value gap can be used as our entry point, and we're gonna target a fair value gap. So that's perfect. Let's see. Bang. That is a full TP. Now let's see. This is now considered a fair value gap. Are we going to respect it? We actually end up pushing right through it, but let's see. There we go. That's our full body close. What does this become? A inversion fair value gap. Inversion fair value gaps can be used as entry points once again. So this can be another long opportunity. And gonna profit on this move. What do we have over here? This is another inversion fair value gap. Let's see. What are we gonna do over here? Are we gonna respect it and push lower? Yeah. So again, it take a very nice short position. So guys, inversion fair value gaps and fair value gaps are perfect points of entry. So guys, if you have a higher time frame bias, like a 1 hour buy side and SMT, come down to a 1, 2, 3, 4 minute, look for a fair value gap. This is a beautiful entry. And look at this. So if you would have entered on this inversion fair value gap, you would have most likely been, if you didn't take your full profits down here, you would have been a little scared, being, oh my God, maybe stop losses are going to get hit. Well, look what you also have. You have a fair value gap in this area. And what do? Tap into it, have that rejection lower. Guys, fair value gaps are so powerful in the market. Like, it's insane. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, I know it was a bit jumpy and kind of all over the place, but I just tried to show you a raw example of how trading can be and how you can find fair value gaps and enter on inversions and target fair value gaps as your take profit. So guys, Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments. And if you want to join my mentorship, I do have a free trial, so you can go check it out for completely free down in the link below.